Explanation of Article 290A of the Indian Constitution. Article 290A deals with the annual financial assistance provided to certain Devaswam, temple administration, funds in the states of Kerala and Tamil Nadu for the maintenance of Hindu temples and shrines. Key points of Article 290A. Financial obligation on state governments. The state of Kerala is required to pay 46.5 lakh rupees every year from its consolidated fund to the Travancore Devaswam Fund. The state of Tamil Nadu is required to pay 13.5 lakh rupees every year from its consolidated fund to the Devaswam Fund established for maintaining Hindu temples and shrines in certain territories transferred from Travancore Cochin to Tamil Nadu. Historical background. Before India's independence, the princely state of Travancore managed several Hindu temples under the Travancore Devaswam Board. When Travancore joined the Indian Union, the Travancore Cochin state was formed, later merged with Kerala in 1956. As part of the States Reorganisation Act, 1956, some areas of Travancore Cochin were transferred to Tamil Nadu. To ensure the continued financial support for temples in these regions, the Constitution mandated these payments through Article 290A. Nature of the payments. These amounts are charged on the consolidated funds of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, meaning they are mandatory and cannot be altered without amending the Constitution. The payments are meant for the maintenance and administration of Hindu temples and shrines, ensuring their financial stability. Conclusion. Article 290A ensures that temples previously under Travancore's control continue to receive financial support even after the reorganization of states. This provision upholds the historical and religious commitments made by the erstwhile Travancore rulers regarding temple administration. The Constitution of India. Part 12. Finance, Property, Contracts and Suits. Chapter 1, Finance. Miscellaneous Financial Provisions. Article 290A. Annual payment to certain Devaswam funds. A sum of 46 lakhs and 50,000 rupees shall be charged on, and paid out of, the consolidated fund of the state of Kerala every year to the Travancore Devaswam Fund, and a sum of 13 lakhs and 50,000 rupees shall be charged on, and paid out of, the consolidated fund of the state of Tamil Nadu, every year to the Devaswam Fund established in that state for the maintenance of Hindu temples and shrines in the territories transferred to that state on the first day of November, 1956, from the state of Travancore Cochin.